I'm a cookbook author and recipe developer, and I wanted to go through and tell you why I absolutely love this brand of parchment paper. And I have been purchasing this brand for over 2 years. Just kind of talk you through and answer some of your questions, because I know there are questions that I had even as a professional before I purchased these. Number one, I love that there are so many of them, 200 sheets in this, because I use a lot of parchment paper. And this is the half sheet pan size. This is their 12 by 16, but I know they have a 9 by 13 as well. For me, I would rather always purchase the bigger ones because I can cut them down. But what I can't do is make a smaller piece of parchment paper bigger. But love that it fits my half sheet pans. I do a lot of cake baking as well, so I will use these in the bottom of those, because yes, parchment paper is non-stick. That is the whole purpose of it. And I just made my son's birthday cake a couple weeks ago and used the bottom of those circular cake pans, and man, those cakes pop off, no big deal, and peel those off. This is unbleached paper. Really important if those chemicals matter to you, and they should, especially if they're getting heated up, and food grade paper. But I don't know if I can show you, but you see how they're kind of like shiny on there? That is the non-stick. These are safe for high heat, up to 450 degrees, which means I also use these in my air fryer. And yes, you can use parchment paper in your air fryer. And because I know my son has asked me this question, he wanted to know if you can reuse parchment paper. I think it depends on how it's being used, but here's the thing is you have 200 sheets. I would tell you just grab another sheet. I know my son reuses his parchment paper all the time in the air fryer. It's just a personal preference. But you just want to make sure that it is clean and not spreading flavors from one to the other. So 200, just grab a new one. But this parchment paper is something I use almost on a weekly basis, if not more often. If I am roasting chicken and vegetables in the oven, this is going down to make for a super easy cleanup. And what I love about it too is it doesn't impede with the caramelization, because if you have any experience baking and cooking, sometimes that is a problem. So if you're looking for a really good quality parchment paper, there's a reason I've been using this one for a long time. Go for it.